Hello everyone, today we'll take a look at the best female urination devices in the market for 2023. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I'll try to help you find the right one for your needs. To see the most up-to-date prices and find out more information about these female urination devices, you can check out the links in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1. PIBELLA Travel Female Urination Device. The best female urination device, in my opinion, is the PIBELLA Travel. The PIBELLA Travel is a discreet, reusable female urination device that allows you to pee quickly and easily while standing up or sitting down. The PIBELLA features a very narrow opening that encloses the exit of the urethra. This narrow design may be daunting, however, the clever design allows it to lock in place once positioned correctly, forming a perfect seal. I've used the PIBELLA for years now and I swear by it. However, it's important to note that everybody's body is different, so while the PIBELLA works for me, it may not work for you. On Amazon, the PIBELLA has 4 out of 5 stars, with negative reviews noting that the PIBELLA is hard to use. I can totally understand where they are coming from, as the PIBELLA will only work correctly when it forms a perfect seal and requires the back lip to be inserted slightly into the vagina to sit in the perfect position. After a couple of practice attempts at home, I quickly learned how to position the PIBELLA for it to form the perfect seal with my body. Colors: green, pink, or pearl. Cleanability: easy. When on the go, rinse after use with water. For a deep clean, you can sterilize the PIBELLA in boiling water. Number 2. GoGirl Female Urination Device. GoGirl is a discreet and reusable, funnel-shaped female urination device that is made of a soft, flexible silicone. Its foldable design makes it travel-friendly, easily fitting in your bag, pocket, or glove compartment, making it easy to urinate while standing up. To use the GoGirl, simply hold the device against your body, form a seal, aim the end of the funnel, and you're good to go. While I have close contacts who have used the GoGirl and recommend it, I personally haven't used it myself, so I can't comment on how effective it is. The GoGirl is quite mainstream, however, frequenting many outdoor gear retailers, and it has 4.2 stars out of 5 on Amazon. The negative reviews the GoGirl has are around the flimsiness of the design that makes it difficult to use, resulting in spillage, and the small exit hole, which causes pee to back up into the funnel and spill. Also noted was the short length of the funnel compared to other female urination devices, making it easy to accidentally pee on yourself. Colors: pink or khaki. Cleanability: easy. When on the go, GoGirl recommend just shaking off any remaining liquid and placing it into a storage container or plastic baggie. No rinsing necessary due to the antimicrobial and water-resistant properties of the funnel. Optionally, GoGirl says soap and water can be used for a deeper clean if you wish. Number 3. pStyle Female Urination Device. The pStyle is a device that allows you to pee while standing up without undressing. It has a simple design and is made of rigid plastic, making it easy to maneuver through clothing and position correctly. The design is open top with a wider back and a narrower front. Just put the wide back end between your legs and tilt the narrower front end down to pee. I personally haven't used the pStyle, so I can't speak for its effectiveness, however it seems to be quite popular, with 4.6 out of 5 stars on Amazon. The negative reviews the pStyle does have seem to be around spillage, where urine would spill from the open top. Colors: skin tones, 5 different shades: turquoise, fuchsia with metallic fleck, lilac, gold, olive, black with metallic fleck or cloud, white. Cleanability: easy. When on the go, rinse after use with water. In between uses, wash with soap and water. The manufacturer's website doesn't have any information on how to deep clean the pStyle, however. Number 4. The Tinkle Belle Female Urination Device. The Tinkle Belle is a compact device that allows you to pee discreetly while fully clothed. The Tinkle Belle is longer than other female urination devices, but has a foldable design that ensures it remains compact when you're out and about. Just unfold the Tinkle Belle, hold it between your legs, point the spout down, and you're ready to pee. I personally haven't used the Tinkle Belle, so can't give my thoughts on it. However, the Tinkle Belle is pretty popular with 4.5 stars out of 5 stars on Amazon. The negative reviews that the Tinkle Belle has seems to be around the design being too narrow, resulting in spillage. Some reviews also commented on the device being bent after being folded for longer periods of time. Colors: teal and gray or teal and white. Cleanability: easy. While on the go, either rinse the Tinkle Belle or shake it off and store. Between uses, wash the Tinkle Belle with hot water and soap. Number 5. Freshette Sports and Travel Female Urinary Device. The Freshette is a reusable, portable female urination device that allows you to wee while standing. The Freshette design consists of 2 different parts, the main funnel and the retractable extension tube. To use, insert the retractable extension tube into the funnel, ensuring it has a secure fit. Move your clothing out the way and firmly hold the Freshette between your legs against your body. I personally haven't used the Freshette, so can't give my own personal opinion on it, but it seems quite popular, with 4.6 out of 5 stars on Amazon. The negative reviews seem to be around the bulky design, which makes it hard to carry around on the go, and leakage from the attached tube. Colors: olive. Cleanability: easy. Freshette recommends you wash in between uses with soap and water. When you're on the go, however, you can either rinse the Freshette with water if you have some on you or just give it a shake. Number 6. SheWee Extreme Reusable Pee Funnel. SheWee is a travel and outdoor-friendly female urination device, allowing women to pee while standing up without removing any clothing. The SheWee is a narrow and short design, making it discreet and easy to carry around while on the go. SheWee also offer packs that include an additional extension pipe to give extra length to the SheWee, helping to direct the urine away from your body and feet. To use, just place the pointy end of the SheWee gently against your body, aim the funnel end away from your feet, and you're good to go. I haven't tried the SheWee personally, so can't give my own thoughts on it. However, the SheWee is quite a mainstream female urination device, stocked at many outdoor gear retailers. It also has 4.4 stars out of 5 on Amazon. The negative reviews the SheWee seem to be around its small and narrow design that results in spillage and overflow. Colors: aqua, black, blue, desert sand, lilac, NATO green, orange, pink, orange, purple, and white. Cleanability: easy. When on the go, shake off the SheWee after use or rinse it. In between uses, wash it with soap and water. Number 7. Sunany Female Urination Device. The Sunany comes in 6 different colors and is similar in style to the GoGirl, but is made with a narrower body and comes with a 4.75-inch extension tube at no extra cost. We appreciate that you also get a storage pouch to store it in when not being used. It is important to note that the bag is not waterproof, so you have to make sure to dry the Sunany off well before putting it away. Style: flexible silicone. Reasons to buy: large funnel, extension tube included. Reasons to avoid: doesn't fit inside pants, can collapse and spill. What makes a female urination device good? There are many different elements to look at when determining whether a female urination device is good, including ease of use, discreetness, no spillage, leakages, transportability. The PIBELLA Travel ticks all of these boxes for me, hence why I recommend it so highly and believe it's the best female urination device.